Hey Anish, how have you been?
I've been great. You tell me, why am I here today?
Well, we have some questions we want you to answer. These are the most searched questions around life insurance but have a twist to it. So, are you ready?
Absolutely. Let's dive right into it.
If I'm a smoker, will the company still approve my claim or even let me buy an insurance policy?
Of course, insurance companies do cover smokers. Just that since there's a higher risk of a health hazard, the companies charge a higher premium. However, they do pay the claims.
What if I lie about my bad habits like smoking and drinking?
Yes, absolutely. You must disclose all your details while purchasing a policy. Your non-disclosure of these facts can be easily identified during a medical examination that you must take before buying term insurance, and your application might get rejected. As we say, better safe than sorry.
What if I quit smoking after buying term insurance? Will that change things? Should I quit before?
This is a tricky one. Most companies might not change the premium you must pay, but you can check with the companies. लेकिन अच्छी आदतों का फल तभी मिलता है जब उसका इस्तेमाल सही वक्त पर करते हैं.
Buy insurance for their wives?
Of course not. Both husband and wife can opt for spouse term insurance or an individual one. The idea is very simple. The earning person in the family can buy the term insurance for the other. This could be men or women. In such insurance policies, the policyholder is usually the earning member and the one who pays the premium. Don't worry, insurance policies don't follow gender stereotypes.
जो बड़े-बड़े बिजनेसमैन होते हैं, उनका इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम कितना होता है?
बड़े लोग बड़ी बातें कितने का तो नहीं पता पर लेते जरूर है. Think of it this way. Although they might not face a financial crunch, they would still want to save on taxes under several sections, including Section 80C, Section 1010D, and perhaps even more. तो प्रीमियम का तो पता नहीं, पर बिजनेसमैन इंश्योरेंस जरूर लेते हैं.
Why do some term insurance claims have tax on them? मेरा टर्म का फायदा गवर्नमेंट को क्यों हो?
Depending on the amount of premium you pay and the amount of your claims, your term insurance payout can be taxable. Several conditions exist for the same to happen under Section 80C and Section 1010D. You can read about them in the description below. हाँ, सब सवालों के जवाब अगर मैं दूंगा तो आप अपनी रिसर्च कब करोगे?
Should I lose weight before I apply for life insurance?
Really? No way, guys. Your weight can be an issue for you only when you have health diseases associated with it. Because in that case, you might have to pay an increased premium. I mean, if you're overweight or if your BMI is on the higher side, then your premiums can be higher because then you're at a higher risk of certain diseases. You need to lose your weight to keep yourself healthy, and it is not an eligibility criteria for you to apply or not apply for life insurance. God, guys, come on.
What's a death benefit and why is my death a benefit?
A death benefit is the claim amount your family will get if you pass during the tenure of a term or life insurance. Your death isn't the benefit, but if something unfortunate happens, your family must be taken care of. The insurance claim amount is the benefit that acts as a safety net for your family.
How will the insurance company know I died?
Well, they won't unless you live in a completely different digital or virtual world where all the devices around you are connected via IoT, which is in turn connected to the devices at the insurance company. I guess I went into a geek mode right there. Don't worry, your family or beneficiary can contact the insurance company and inform them about your passing. Thus, the due process for settling claims will begin.
Can I get a medical examination from my family doctor?
No, the insurance company has its designated personnel who conduct all the tests and assess the results. It's because companies trust their doctors the most, ताकि यहाँ पर कोई fake medical certificate ना दे पाए. Insurance देने की बात है भैया, स्कूल में छुट्टी देनी होती तो चल जाता.
How much coverage do I need?
Well, enough for you to settle all your debts and help your family maintain the standard of life they had when you were around. This way, they get enough time to get back on their feet.
Who should be the beneficiary of my insurance?
Ideally, one of your family members should be the nominee. This could be anyone, your kids, your parents, your wife, your husband, or someone else who will need financial support when you are not around.
Can we change the nominee in term insurance?
Yes, you can change your nominee in term insurance any number of times you want while the policy is active. Pro tip, be discreet about it. you should have a logical reason while you're doing so.
What if I have 2 term insurance?
Yes, you can have multiple term insurance policies, but there are a few things that you have to keep in mind.
You might have to give multiple medical examinations before purchasing different policies.
You will have to pay multiple premiums as well for the policies you buy.
Is term insurance really necessary?
Ha bhai, it is absolutely necessary and should be the first step of your investing journey. It acts as a safety net that protects your family financially and helps you sleep peacefully at night. So, folks, I guess I answered almost all questions you ask on search engines about life insurance. In case you feel I have missed out on anything, please write to us in the comment sections below, and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Until then, stay safe and invest smartly.